If that's not classic walkout, I don't know what is. Alright, so this is gonna be like episode 1, I suppose, of this Everton Rebuild. I don't want to say Road to Glory because, I mean, we're not really terrible, but I'm like 4 or 5 seasons in on my other one. I figured I'd start over now. As far as I forgot. I don't think I really bought anybody that first year because I was just trying to get to Europa League. I think that was the goal, maybe. So I know I didn't make the Champions League my first year. Outfits. This outfit is trash. Inner top. Let's go here. Outer top. Let's go with this gray sweatshirt. Actually, I know which ones I had. I'll change. Sure. As long as the tie is correct. Sure. Socks don't really matter here. And then some Chelsea boots. Yep, that's the one right there. Sure. Yeah, that's fine. Transfer budget. I did have that 60% increase. World class. Yep. Okay. I'll probably make the house a bit longer. Let's call this Everton Rebuild, I guess. It's not even I don't even like calling it a rebuild, but whatever. Let's go. This will give us the most and some different competition to play. Okay. And change of formation. blah blah blah, all this bullshit. Yeah. Let me take a look at the squad. And of course, they got us in the Papa Carlo 4-4-2. I don't really like this. He's not a left mid. I prefer, until I can get in who I want. Walker gotta go, bro. I forgot we even have him, bro. Honestly, and I also don't run with the goalkeeper on the bench. It's a waste of a spot. Yeah, we need. Okay, so I need a left winger. He's really, I prefer playing him at Cam. A left winger. Or right back. And the center back. Let's save that for now. I'm about to change those other formations too, but I need to get players in. First team quality playmaker, Phil Foden. Instructions. I don't really need a striker because I'm confident in Keane and Calvert-Lewin. I do need a left winger though. Preferably first team quality. I don't want to go world class quite yet. Yeah. And oh no, I forgot we got John Joe Kenny on loan. I'm good on right back for now and left back. Do want to get some midfielders in though. Under 26. First team. And I think that's about it for now. Oh god, I had to transfer immediately. Yeah. Let's go to here. And then let's go with Moise Keane. Let's go Calvert-Lewin as well. And then Anthony Gordon. Is there anybody else? Probably Tom Davies. I don't really need him working on that. Yeah. And then I don't know. Let's go with another one for King. Sprint speed up. Alright, I'll be doing this. It's easy. Yeah. Turn. Uh. I think I might end up simming these just because I can get more game time. Or maybe I'll do like one. I should have went far post. It's decent, I guess. Oh, this is gonna be a funny conversation. Seamus, nah, I want to keep him. Let's turn that down. Hey, boss, I'm surprised, but a bit glad that you're taking steps without me having to ask. Yeah, I mean we gonna call it what it is. Sickerson gonna be halfway out the door too. Let's go ahead and get this saving. Oh, the time. I'm sorry, not the time, but the game length. I don't like having so many defenders on the bench. At least Fabian Delph is a utility player. Alright, this is game one.
And we have pre-season group stage action from the European Continental Shield coming up. It is Everton facing Fiorentina.
First game of their pre-season, time to dust off those cobwebs and start getting the fitness back, Derek. Wouldn't be surprised to see the manager give some of the young players a ride out too. There's definitely a few on the cusp of breaking into the first team.
And here's our Everton lineup.
Yeah, man, I like Bernard, but I would rather have. What the fuck? Let's see. Oh, no way.
And the story of attack is one of a strike partnership. But it has to be regarded always as a dangerous opponent. But what should we expect to see from him in this game, Lee? Well, virtually everything.
Come on, Richarlison. He be tracking back, though. I'll give him that. Oh, what the fuck? So it's not a foul there. What a ball movement. Score that. Oh, what a save. Where is Bernard? Oh, God, he must have been covering for him. Oh, wow. I should have just put it on the ground. Gerald. Boy, I seen that. Gomez, what are you doing, bro? Andre Gomez, bro. He was just standing there. Oh, I need better pass than that.
It's a goal for Eintracht Frankfurt. 20 minutes played, 1-0. Many thanks, Alan.
Offsides.
Opportunity to deliver the cross. Calvert-Lewin.
Offside, maybe. Not there, bro. Come on, EA. Alright, we got numbers. We got numbers. Back to Bernard.
Bernard making excellent progress with the ball at his feet. It might be the moment to get them ahead.
Place that. Oh, whoa.
Wonderful block. Here is Andre Gomes. Great pressure to win the ball back. Calvert-Lewin.
Oh, you gotta be stronger than that, man.
Real danger. Good kick it. And now Dominic Calvert-Lewin. Sigurdsson. Bernard. And return to Sigurdsson. Still passing it around with authority. He's got to score!
There it is.
Bang, bang, bang.
Keep it tight, that's what both managers will be saying. But now the opening goal's gone in, tactics have got to change.
Well,
Let's see that again. Oh, it's so sweetly hit. Look at his technique. Absolutely brilliant. He's got the power, he's got the accuracy. Now he's got himself a goal.
So back playing once more, and it's Everton with the lead.
It's confidence building from the number 9. I feel like I had Moise Keane starting the first time I did this. Oh, it's whack.
Well, they continue their push for the equaliser, but definitely not forcing it. Well,
I thought that was a damn referee.
he stopped them in their tracks. Andre Gomes. Jean-Philippe Gabana. Not what he was intending, bad pass.
Sigurdsson.
Necessarily.
Just lay it off to him.
Teammates to play it to.
Offsides.
And offside it is. Look at Digne.
Nah, nobody with him.
He's going forward well here.
That's such a Bernard play, bro. I don't know how many times we've seen him do that in real life. I should have just laid it off.
Duncan on the ball.
Halftime. Halftime? Jesus, they gave him an extra minute.
Win games. He's been a joy to watch in this sport. Sit back and enjoy him in the second half.
It's a decent first half. Definitely rusty. I ain't played career mode. I forgot to have Frank Ribery. I haven't played career mode in I don't know how many months. Man, Walcott still is fast, man. Alright, let's try this.
Teams are ready to have a go at each other again as the second half commences. And in possession, Milinkovic. Duncan. Cáceres.
Ah, what?
Eric Pulgar. This gives us away.
Everton's stats and possession not great, but on the break they've been
Nah, that's not the lane to pass the ball through.
they've been electric when they've had the ball.
And in possession, Milinkovic.
I felt like I sold Sigurdsson after the first season last time too.
Benassi on the ball.
That's out.
Some of our translating threats into goals. Moving the ball nicely. Picking the ball on the pass. Wants to hang on the ball, which he did. Although many of you have been hearing the transfer rumours, it does look
Oh, Theo.
to be only.
Yeah, the media, the papers, I believe, they've made an official bid. Not surprising, really. He's a top player. There's been rumblings for a while now. I guess we'll
And it's a quality pass.
Place that. Andre.
Bang, bang, bang.
Confidence and not giving the opposition much on it.
That was a nice, calm, cool, collected finish. Set up by
This is a simple one, but it's
old Richie. Oh, Richie.
There's a goal.
Ooh, that was good.
So 2-0 now. He's given us away.
What a tap.
Eric Pulgar. It's with Kukrone. Look at Digne. Jean-Philippe Gabana. Given away. Can they get it behind them? Kukrone. Looks a lot of this.
Oh shit. Is it too much? Oh. I didn't even really wind it up. I didn't even really wind it up like that. Alright, let's make another sub. Let's get Moise Keane in here. Fabian Delph. Tom Davis. I guess Michael Keane as well. And I'll start Seamus Coleman next game.
They will now make use of the substitute bench. And Sigurdsson win it.
Oh, what a run. And that's classic Theo. Classic Theo. It was a beautiful run.
This is Delph. Sigurdsson regains possession. Ball with with Baden. Baden. Christian Kouame. Simpson with it.
That was a dumb pass. I'm not sure why I thought that was going to get through.
Milan Baden. Baden. Eric Pulgar.
I need to change my other attacking and defending formations as well. I'll probably change it before I start the Premier League season. Alright. Get the so rusty. I thought it was going to be a penalty right there. He stepped over him.
Well, Derek, the stats don't lie. Chance after chance, they played really well. They've really got this defence on toast. They don't know what to do. They're at 6s and 7s. This scoreline could be anything.
Might really be able to trouble them here. And they've lost it. Baden. Dangerous looking attack. Benassi.
It's a goal. Oh shit, what a save. Come on now. Yeah, he's been balling this game.
Yeah, he's a dream player to have in your ranks. Ticks all the boxes for me. Player everybody looks to create something, and he does it brilliantly well. Done it again today.
What a bounce. Keep going. I forgot he's not really fast. I should have shot that. Yeah, I'm gonna need another number 10. I guess Sigurdsson to do. Yo! Get that through. What a block.
Superbly to take back possession. Not what he was intending. Bad pass. A really sumptuous ball. Real danger.
If that's not classic walkout, I don't know what is. Should have kept going outside.
Intense pressure. Walcott. On the ball, Davis. This is Delph. On the ball, Richarlison. Sigurdsson.
I should have just shot it.
Inside the final 5 minutes now. Here's Paul Girona.
Yo, get the what? What was that? Reverse the game. Whoa. Whoa. If that's not classic Theo, what is, man? It's a decent first game back. Oh, Theo. Oh, Theo. Alright, I think we dominated them. This should be a good place to stop for the first episode. Like, comment, subscribe. Any suggestions, y'all? Who y'all think I should go after in the transfer market? I want to see who, if I have anybody yet. Shortlist. Shortlist. And did I go to midfielders? Nah. I don't think I can afford Phil Foden. I don't know though. Shortlist. Yeah. That'll be it for this first episode. Not a bad way to start. With that being said, be easy.